Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about Ingenext. This is a company in Canada, and what they do is they're selling aftermarket module that will improve and make your car go faster, and specifically Tesla. Once again, I just want to throw it out there. I'm not sponsored by this company. I just I just read about it and I just like it, and I just want to let you guys know that they do have a 25% off on some of this modules. So maybe you guys might be interested. All right, so as you can see right here, this is Black Friday sale, and you get 25% off on all of the modules. So we can just surf through the website real quick to see what it is. It says right here, like motors and battery controller, add 150 horsepower to your Tesla. And they have many different modules depending on how much you want to spend and what kind of upgrade you're looking for. And at the same time, you can see right here, say Tesla used parts as well too. And once again, remember, this is from Canada. So when we buy stuff out of the country, we might have to pay some kind of tariff tax on it as well. Okay, so let's go through this one right here. Okay. We can go to Tesla upgrade, or we can go those, just try shop now, the module. Okay, so Black Friday, 25% off. And you look at on the this one right here, on the left-hand side here, it says Boost 50 for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So once again, not all of the vehicles will be able to, it's compatible with these modules. So it really depends on what you have. So as you can see, the price is ranging quite a bit, from a regular price $1,000, now 25% off, making it $750. And the Ghost upgrade, which is the one that a lot of people consider. If you guys don't know what the Ghost upgraded is, I suggest you go to YouTube and watch a couple of videos, because it's gonna make your car like super fast. But there's certain criteria that your car must have. All right, so we're gonna click on the first one just so you guys see it real quick. And here on the computer from your vehicle, this is for Tesla. It's compatible for Model 3 and Model Y. If you have an Atom from 2017 to 2021, you click on it. Or if you have a later model, which is 22 to 23 Ryzen, then you just click on it and add to the cart. So on the very bottom, it tells you Boost 50 allows to add 50 horsepower and a lot of cool features to your Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y dual motor long range. So here, it's going to say right here. Okay, so we're going to click on, or actually want to see how does it work here. So how does the Boost 50 work? So Wi-Fi communication, the Boost 50 communicates with your smartphone, tablets, or a laptop via Wi-Fi. To get access to the Ingenext web apps, you must be near the module and follow the steps in the user manual. Ingenext updates, you'll be able to update your module with the cable provided with your module. We may send you updates to add features or fix bugs. Tesla updates. To make a Tesla update, you will be able to authorize it from the Ingenext web application and proceed to its installations. Before installations, you need to make sure that the update is safe here. And user manuals, you have that right there. So we're going to click on the features. It says right here, specific compatibility, so make sure you double check, or maybe if you're interested, send them an email and make sure, give them your VIN number and everything, so make sure that it is compatible with your vehicle. But Tesla Model 3, Model Y dual motor long range without the acceleration boost. So, and the Boost 50 is not compatible with the Force 4680 battery. So for a short period of time, Tesla did have vehicles, I think Model Y, rear-wheel drive with 4680 battery. So this is not compatible with that. So if you have that, then you can't use this, you can't buy this. So let's go into the features. These are some of the features that if your vehicle is not equipped with it, or it doesn't have it, with this one, it will give you the access. heated rear seats, ambient light, region control, automatic driver opening, which is great, automatic front and trunk opening with proximity sensors, drift mode, heated steering wheel if your car is not compatible, fog lights, battery pack heating, improved throttle sensitivity and reduced response time, hard reset, manual wiper control, block PMS alert, and so on. And installations, here it give you installation guides and video, and you can just click on this and it will take you to a YouTube video and it will show you how to do the installation. The installation is, I think, is pretty easy. It's a plug and play, and says here it's VIN lock, so note that once installed in your vehicle, the product cannot be used on another vehicles. Charges applied for the reprogramming. So down on the road, if you want to sell it, or if you want to sell your vehicle and then you wanted to remove this, you can remove it, and then you can just have to, have them reprogram it to another vehicle of your liking. Shipping right here. Delivery time, most items can be expected to arrive within 3 to 5 business days after purchase. We'll send you the tracking information we emailed. Custom fees. Custom fees are at the expense of the customers. They are determined by the amount of the purchase and inter-country agreements. Warranty. Any purchaser or user of the Boost 50 releases technology, Ingenext, and all its related companies from any responsibility regarding the full potential validity of the manufacturer's warranty following the use of this equipment. We are not responsible for any modification the manufacturers could do to your car. Example, turning off some of the features, etc. Right. So this is one of the module that they have. But let's go to the Ghost. The Ghost, that's the one that everybody's talking about. Okay, so you can see right here. So the Ghost regular price is $1,995, and right now you can get it for $1,496. And the rear motor, these are the requirements. So 980, 4D1, and 7.4. So your rear motor has to be 980 motor. So it's pretty much a perform motors. So I did a video on my car. When I did the brake calipers or covers installed, I noticed that the rear motors is they're 980, so they're compatible. They're performance motors, so this is compatible with it. So, and depending if you have the acceleration boost or not, you can just follow the screens and you can pick whatever. So, for example, my car, the rear motor does have a 980s, and I don't have the acceleration boost, and it is a Ryzen model 2023, and all you do is just hit add to cart. So basically here, this is a quick summarize of the Ghost. Ghost allows to add 150 horsepower and a lot of cool features to your Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y dual motor long range with the 980 motors. And if you want here, where it says click here for the videos, well too, they do have that. And see right here, or you can check out my videos because I do shows where to look for as well. And here, very specific, and we're just gonna go on the features, see what it does have. So pretty much it's almost the same as the other ones, but this one, it's specifically adding 150 horsepower compared to just 50 horsepower. If you do a quick YouTube on this product, you do see that I think maybe a couple people that actually did the mod, and they stated that even this one with this mod, the car, the Model 3 dual motors actually beat the actual performance Model 3. So there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like the video, stuff like this, feel free to give it a like, and if you love the channel and the content itself, make sure you subscribe for more content. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.